Man, I can't believe when we talked to each other, what, an hour ago, like 3 and 4 mile an hour and gusting to 6, and now we're talking 15, 20 mile an hour gusts. All clear? I heard that. What happened? And Marty down there doing something. We didn't get to fly over the Easter weekend at all. The weather was just crummy. Boy, is this thing crabbing? Mike, are you crabbing a lot in this weather? Go half flaps on this. Full flaps bouncing around a little bit. Uh oh, crazy pilot's going up. I'm coming down. Stop! It's going against the wind. It should have stopped. Oh, you know what? I put the flaps up. Flaps down. Maybe it'll roll back with the wind. Push, push. We need lift, lift. I can't even goose it to see if I can get it to do anything. Is he going up or what's he gonna do? Are you going up? If he's going up, I'm staying down. Hold tight, guys. We'll be back in a minute. Alright. Well, Mike did it with the wind. Let's see if it worked for me. Not generally a great idea. But the timbers, they seem to handle it pretty well. Let's bring it back this way, get a little lift. Alright, I'm going to come around this side behind you. Did you ever find your cable?
No.
Man, is it windy. Look at the clouds though, huh? I mean, there wasn't even a cloud in the sky when I talked to you, dude. You think those clouds are a little on the low side? Let's see if I can lose my airplane in one. Oh shit, Marty's up there. Flies better with the right prop on, huh? Watch my plane, dude. Yeah, me too. Not that I don't trust you, but I don't trust you. No! You're not looking at my plane. We already know this. Man, this place is getting busy. What the hell's up there? Something didn't sound good. What happened? Nice. I don't know what happened. He said he flipped, but his radio quit because he threw it in the ground. Holy cow, man, I had to take off this way. The wind just actually turned me that way, guys. This is nuts. This is getting a little bit too windy, buddy. And now he's going to be in a bad mood again. I wonder what happened. I didn't see it. I just heard it.
I didn't see shit either.
He's out there. He's going to get his plane, I guess. I heard something. I heard it hit, and I heard him. He slammed his radio down into the ground.
For safe to be on, it should be on all the way forward, correct?
I'm trying to remember, because I'm starting to wonder. I'm getting an awful lot of more bank than I should be. And, like, I could spike this thing right now, and ordinarily you can't do that with this. But, holy shit, man. Excuse my French, guys. But yeah, this is down. Your plane's about to take off again, dude.
Which way you got yours? Forward, right?
Yeah, all the way forward. Look at this thing flying completely sideways, dude. That's sick. Go dive bomb Marty, see if he's okay out there.
No, he's shooting good.
This is crazy, man. I'm flying sideways, Mike.
I see it.
Do you see this? I'm standing in one place flying sideways. Holy crap, dude! I'm not kidding. This is a first. Almost went backwards and sideways. Oh, look at that. The eye of God, man.
Where?
Up there. Look at where my plane's at. See it? Crossing over it. I better come down here a little bit. I think my plane started getting sucked up there, man. There's an updraft up there.
Don't hit Marty.
Is it all right, Marty? Ah, fuck. Sorry.
Hey, there's my radio. My radio I slammed in the ground too. I'm done.
I'll take that one. Perfect timing too. Out of time. And I only got a 22 in there, so I know I don't have any more than about 30 seconds.
36.
What do you mean? 36 seconds. You went 36 seconds over.
Oh, so I
Yeah,
shouldn't even
I'm
fly.
like 5 seconds over. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Nah, we'll leave him be for now. We'll check that stuff out later. Mike, say hi to the guys. Everybody, cool.
Happy Easter, buddy.
Peace, love, planes. Yeah, happy Easter, after Easter, and all that, guys. See you soon. Poor Marty.